Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the VSA light on your Honda CR-V. First, always check the simplest things. Make sure your gas cap is securely tightened, as a loose one can sometimes cause dashboard warnings. Next, verify that all 4 of your tires are inflated to their recommended pressure. Finally, confirm you haven't accidentally turned off the VSA system using the dashboard button. These quick checks can often resolve the issue. If initial checks don't resolve the VSA light, consider common underlying causes. Low brake fluid levels can impact the VSA system, so check your reservoir. Faulty wheel speed sensors are a very common culprit, as VSA relies on their accurate readings. Additionally, a problem with the steering angle sensor, which tells the car your steering input, can also cause the VSA light to illuminate. For more persistent VSA light issues, advanced troubleshooting is necessary. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read any diagnostic trouble codes, which can pinpoint the exact problem. Carefully inspect all wiring harnesses and fuses related to the VSA and ABS systems for any signs of damage or loose connections. After replacing components, a VSA module recalibration might be required to ensure proper system function. While many VSA light issues can be resolved at home, some problems require professional expertise. If you've tried these steps and the light remains on, or if you're uncomfortable with advanced diagnostics, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. They have specialized tools and knowledge to accurately diagnose and repair complex VSA system faults. Remember, consistent vehicle maintenance is key to preventing these issues. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.